Additive-X have been around for 10 plus years, although we are from a larger organisation who have been going for 35 years. We deal with selling machines, and we also do 3D printing services or bureau services for people, which we term as our digital parts factory. Our whole premise of our company is finding the right solution for the customer's applications. So it's understanding the application, understanding what materials are required, and then we look at our material and product portfolio in order to have that sensible conversation with the customer. We tend to operate in a number of different sectors. Education is a big sector, but also manufacturing is a huge sector as well, especially looking at jigs, fixtures, workplace holdings. Universities are using them to train their students in, it's called DFAM, so DFAM, which is designed for additive manufacturing, but also bringing them and making them ready for the workplace in order to improve efficiencies on, as I've said, production lines or certain other areas they are looking to work in.
So what we're printing here today as a showpiece is a reinforced hook. This part will be reinforced with Kevlar, so it'll have a high strength to lightweight ratio, and it will take around 8 hours to print. A couple of other products we have here at the show today is a 3D printed wrench. This is printed in a nylon with a short strand carbon fibre. And then we have a version that is used with carbon fibre reinforcement, giving it aluminium type strength. And these would take about 6 hours to print on this printer. And another example we have here today is a protective bumper made from an elastic resin printed on the Formlabs Form 3 Plus printer.
The manufacturing range of companies we deal with is really wide. So it's everything from aerospace/aviation through to people with production lines. So really anyone who's looking to make jigs, fixtures, tooling, end-use product, prototypes, is looking at additive manufacturing. It can bring huge cost savings and efficiency savings to companies if used correctly. If you're looking at producing parts in lower quantities, it's ideal. If you're using to look at replacing legacy items on production lines, it's ideal. But also for lightweighting parts, for making parts differently for maintenance, predictive maintenance schedules. It really has a place in a number of different sectors across a whole range of additive manufacturing verticals. The lead times are really coming down in terms of weeks to get the parts either in hand or on the shop floor, as opposed to really lengthy lead times from traditional methods.